Oh my gosh, ayoko umiyak. And I take this. This is already take 5, guys. And I take another take. Sorry. Hello everyone, it's Michelle Lemon. As a Lovely Sisters, if you could see, I have 2 boxes here. So mag-unboxing po tayo. And this presents came from my sponsor. It's not only a sponsor, a close friend. Very napakalapit niya po sa puso namin, sa Lovely Sisters. And at the end of this video, malalaman nyo kung sino siya at malalaman nyo kung anong laman dito. Kasi I have a games na pinapa-games ko, malalaman kung sino mananalo, kung anong laman ng boxes na to, at kung sino ang sponsor o friend na nagpadala nito. So guys, let's go! I'm so excited, guys! Even ako, hindi ko alam kung ano ang laman ng mga boxes na to na pinadala niya. So, this bag, I already opened it kasi, you know why? Nagalit ako. So, nagalit ako sa husband ko. Sabi ko, why you keep buying stuff that you did not let me know? Kasi, you spend lots of money at Amazon, blah, blah, blah. So, talagang nagalit ako kasi hindi ko alam. Minsan, he surprised me na hindi ko alam. Tapos, minsan hindi ko nagustuhan or whatever. Parang ako pa yung nagalit. So, I feel bad na hindi pala galing sa husband ko. Point na yon, hindi galing sa husband ko. Kung sino nagsumagot dyan na husband ko, you're wrong. But, hindi ito galing sa husband ko. So, na-open ko siya kasi wala siyang sa labas, wala siyang pangalan ng sender. So, nang na-open ko, merong card sa loob, nabasa ko kung sino siya. Sabi ko, sige na nga, i-unboxing ko nga. At hindi ko pa siya tinignan sa loob, this small box na una siyang dumating, hindi ko siya natingnan sa loob. But I have ideas kasi meron siyang photo sa outside. Ayan. So mga ano, but hindi ko nalaman kung anong color, kung ano, hindi ko talaga to nabuksan. And this one also, hindi ko siya nabuksan pa. Hindi ko pa siya nabuksan. Eto, nakasealed pa siya. Kasi may alam ko, may pangalan siya sa labas kung kanino galing. And then, guys, so let's join and open this box. Let's go. I'm so excited. Alright. Okay. Ala, ang cute talaga. Ala, gusto ko talaga i-open lahat, hindi isa-isa. Wow! Wow. Dito natin. Ha? Diyan mo na yung mga boxes. Alam, Jex, oh. Look at this. Look at this. Meron siyang wow, parang hindi ko na gagamitin. Ang dami. It's a lot. At saka mga wood siya. Okay? Alam niya talaga kung ano yung mga gusto ko. Ayan! I'm so very happy. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Para akong maiyak naman ako nito. Ayan. Thank you so much. Wala, ang cute. Parang hindi ko siya gusto gamitin. Gagamitin ko ba ito? Parang hindi ko siya gagamitin. Ala, eto pa, oh. Ang cute. Ala. Ang cute talaga. Uy, may ano pa siya, oh. Ang cute niya. Uy, may mga measuring spoon and measuring cup. Ayan. Kompleto. Tsaka may silicone. Ano pa ba to? Ano to siya? Ang ganda. Siguro ito yung mga patungan ng mga ganyan. Kapag nagluluto ka. Ay, this is cool. Ang ganda talaga. Sa silicone siya. Yung ano niya. Yung sa taas niya. Yan, oh, mga wood. I love it, guys. Another collection for my kitchen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sponsor. Ayan, ang dami niya. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Meron pa tong. Meron pa another this one. Talagang i-open ko ba siya? Ayan. Oh, ang cute niya. Siya gamitin. Ayan, mayroon pa siyang brush kapag nag-barbecue kayo. Ayan. So cute na. Wood talaga. Ang gaan kasi kapag wood eh. I love it. I really love it. Talagang alam na alam niyo talaga. Ayan guys. Oh, this one is for the spaghetti. Ang cute. Ang gaan talaga. Ang gaan talaga. Ang gaan. Very light lang talaga siya. That's why I love wood. I love wood stuff. At saka eto naman is the spatula. Ayan, kung mag-bake kayo, may gano kayo, mayroon kayong spatula. And of course, guys, ito, ang dami no. So, one box pa lang yan. Ito yung, yung mga sasabitan ng mga ladle natin, mga ladles. Ayan, at saka meron pang tongs. Tong, ayan, ang cute, diba? Tignan natin yung next box natin. Nag-excited na rin. Oh my goodness, another cook lover. Hala, another cook lover. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for wash ay, ang dami ko ng box. Ayan, ano kaya to? Teka. Ganito natin. Ayan, ito siya guys. Cook lover. So, ano kaya sa husband? Mother's Day present. Woohoo! Hala, it's so cute. Ang ganda. Hala! Talaga, it's really wood. Ano ka ba? Ano ba yan? Ang ganda to. Hala, talagang wood stuff siya. Wala ko ano ko ba ito i-open. Teka lang, baka maano. Takot ako. Hala, napaka-cute niya. Uy, shoot. Hala, so cute. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng hold niya. Ng holder niya. Ang ganda. Hala, this is a magic wok. Wow. Oh, it's very heavy. It's heavy. Hala. Oh my gosh. Talaga bang pakalulutuin mo? Kung palulutuin. Ayan guys. Oh. Ayan. Oh. I love it. The cook lover. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Ang ganda ng ano niya. Wow. I love it. Thank you so much. Ay nako. Para maiyak naman ako nito. But I love it so much. At saka yung ano niya, yung side niya, is a rubber. It's a silicone. So, ano siya? Ang ganda talaga. Honestly, ang ganda. Thank you so much. Hala. May kasama pa siya. Eto, wood din. Cook lover. Ay, it's so cute. Hala, ang ganda talaga. Hala. O, diba? Ang ganda. May ano po. May bag pa siya nakasama. Teka lang, ilagay natin dyan. So, ayan. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda talaga. I love the holder. Yung ano niya, yung hawakan niya. Ayan, oh. At cook lover. Ayan. Additional collection. Ang ganda. I love it. Nako, ano ba yan? There you go, guys. So, this presents, I will gonna tell you kung kanino siya galing. So, I have a card, a message came from this box, the first box. So, doon ko nalaman kung kanino siya galing. So, it's saying here, enjoy cooking. I hope this will match from what you got for Mother's Day. Love you, Ate Rowena. Rowena Pumarin Arias. Ate Rowena, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And hindi lang siya guys a sponsor, hindi lang siya a supporter, hindi lang siya she's our close friend na, even though we did not met her a person. Soon we will, and Grace and I, we will visit her in New York. And at saka bago pa po yung Lovely Sister, at saka bago pa po namin siya na-meet sa Lovely Sisters, and marami na po siyang natulungan. At bago pa po namin na na patayo. Bago pa po namin na built yung Bigay Pag-asa or Give Hope Charity, may natulungan na po si Ate Rowena. So, thank you so much, Ate. At saka, you taught us a lot of things talaga to be kind, and hindi lang sa amin, sa maraming tao na natulungan mo pa before we met you. Kasi we really appreciate, we really love you so much. You know, guys, Grace and I were not perfect as a sisters. We have differences, but sometimes yung mga tampuhan kami, honestly. But this is already take 8, guys. This is already take 8 na to, so I don't want gonna be emotional. I'm trying to stop not to be emotional, but I don't know why. But Ate Rowena is there to remind us. Siya yung tumatawag sa amin. There's something going on, blah 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 sa amin ni Grace. Siya po yung nagpapadik na wala siya po kinakambihan, but parang siya na rin po yung oldest sister namin to remind us kung ano yung mga pagkakamali namin. And she's there. Ate Rowena, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And we love you so much. And sa mga tulong mo sa mga tao na nabigyan mo ng tulong, kayo ni Kuya, yung husband mo, thank you so much. Alam nyo, first pa lang na tumawag si Ate Rowena sa akin, I already told her this, and I already told somebody this, na una pa lang narinig ko yung boses ni ate na tinawagan niya ako nung nakita nila. Nag-start to nung natulungan namin si Aileen Laguerta. So, tumawag siya sa amin. Nung tumawag siya sa akin, I felt like I hear the sounds of angel. I don't know what's the sound of angel, but for me, it's so light voice, and I feel the spirit when I hear her voice. So, parang sabi ko, wow, bakit naggaan-gaan na agad ang feeling ko sa kanya. I want to end this video, so I would like to say thank you so much. I'm so blessed to have you as a friend, and we're so very happy and so very grateful and thankful that we met you in the YT world. Because of the YT world, we knows you even though you don't have a channel, but you help a lot. Sometimes na kami panganag, sometimes na we scared na sobrang tulong na tulong niya sa tao. She don't know, she don't care kung ano yung mga you know, kasi yung iba nagtitake for granted or nagtitake advantage to us kapag tulong tayo ng tulong. But Ate, she don't care. But thank you so much, Ate. We love you so much, and you know, we're here for you. We're listening for you too. If you need us, nandito rin kami ni Grace for you. And I will tell the world, this YT world, how we lucky that we have you as a friend, and more than a friend, a sister for us. And hindi lang marami silang natulungan. Thank you so much for this. This one, this is very precious for me that came from you. Ayan, ayoko na umiyak. Thank you so much, and we love you so much. And I will keep praying that God will give you long life in a good health, so that marami pa tayong matulungan. Marami pa tayong matulungan, and talaga yung goal natin to our life is not our own lives, is how to help other people, you know, na mapagaan nila, na That's why we called our charity Give Hope or Bigay Pag-asa, because we will give hope to them. Even though not financially, guys, we will keep in touch to the person that they need someone to talk to. At least makakagaan ng mga suliranin nila or mga problema nila sa buhay. It's not only a money, it's only talagang we keep in touch sa mga tao na tulungan namin. So, thank you so much. Please keep sharing our Facebook page na Bigay Pag-asa. And of course, sana po di po kayo magsawa. And thank you so much to trusting us sa Bigay Pag-asa charity. And of course, trusting us sa Lovely Sisters. And of course, like a love shout out to all the Lovely Sisters team and Katuko team. Thank you so much to all your support and never-ending support, especially to our videos with my sister, my katandem sister Grace, and I, and my cooking videos and my crazy videos. Thank you so much, and thank you again, Ate Rowena. We love you. Bye, guys. Thank you so much.